Welcome to the channel. It's AlmightyDen and I'm back again. We are coming up on 1,000 subscribers, so big shout out to everybody, all my new subscribers out there. If you're new to the channel and you like to learn about crypto, you like to learn about stock market, be sure to subscribe because our goal over here is to try to get this money and build a nice community of people so we can share information and learn from each other. Cut the notifications on, like the video as well, and we're going to get into it. Now today, of course, we're going to talk about Crypto.com, and we're going to start off with the charts, but as well, we're going to compare it to Coinbase and Binance Coin because, you know, Binance has a very, very high market cap that if Crypto.com reaches, it would pretty much be a good 6x on our profits or almost 7. So we're going to get into all of that. But right now, we're going to start off with the chart, of course, because price action is what's most important. First and foremost, we are at about 58 cents, as you can see. Now, I've been saying to y'all in all my videos that I could see us going lower before we go higher, but ultimately, I do think we will return to $1. So any chance to get this thing lower is an opportunity for me to add to my position. But, you know, worst case, best case scenario, first on a dead buy is it would reach 20-something cents or in the 30-cent range. That would be an ultimate sell dip by opportunity for myself. But regardless, in the meantime, I do believe this thing will go higher. Now, if you compare this to Binance on CoinMarketCap.com, you will see that the Binance coin is worth $96 billion. Now, that's a top 3 cryptocurrency right there. So it's already climbed up. It's climbed up very fast. Now, keep in mind that Binance has been around a lot longer than Crypto.com. Now, if you go to Crypto.com, which has absolutely climbed up this year exponentially fast, it is the 15th ranked cryptocurrency on crypto market cap. It is at about $14.8 billion. So I already did the math for y'all so you can see it right now. If you do the math, that's about, if it was to be equal to Binance coin, it would take about 6.5 times for it to reach up. So the price would pretty much 6x, almost 7x. So that's very, very good returns if it was to get that far. Now, if you know what Binance is, it's an exchange. I know a lot of us know. We know that Crypto.com is an exchange, and they're pretty similar. They have NFTs you could earn on your crypto. They have cards that you could both buy and not buy. They have cards you could earn rewards on. Very similar platforms, but you know, us in the U.S. we can't use Binance, so a lot of people go to Crypto.com, and Crypto.com is newer and growing exponentially faster than Binance, in my opinion. Now, we go to this chart here on Twitter by, this is Crypto.com's Chief Operating Officer, posted a very interesting graph of some of the volume increases from Crypto.com exchange compared to Coinbase exchange and Binance. You can see that on this chart, Crypto.com is slightly under Coinbase exchange and has a lot to do to catch up to Binance, which means there's a lot of upside for this as well. But if you go to the App Store, right, Apple App Store, you will see that Crypto.com has flipped Coinbase, so it is more popular right now on the App Store as we're speaking. And if you scroll down, Binance has been falling behind. Binance is the 44th finance app. This is for finance apps on the App Store. So Binance is at 44, Coinbase is at number 7, and Crypto.com right now is at number 6. It is climbing very fast. Their marketing is very, very aggressive. I'm seeing Crypto.com everywhere. This is a very good sign if you do hold the Crypto.com coin, aka the CRO coin, because, you know, as well, a lot of people are still staking that and farming it for VVS finance as well. So the better Crypto.com does, the better VVS finance will be as well. So this is a very, very good sign for us because that means we have a lot of upside, and that means that we are still very early. Now, I also want to compare it to the Coinbase stock market cap as well, because if you look at the Coinbase stock right now, one thing I want you to understand that there is a difference between stock and crypto. We know that stocks is trying to have shares of the company, whereas the cryptocurrency is just a coin related to Crypto.com. So, but this is what you want to keep in mind. This is what you want to look at and compare it to Binance as well. You can see that Coinbase has a $56.799 billion market cap, right? We're going to compare all 3 of them just because we can. And you can see that Binance has a $96.5 billion market cap. So that is much more than Coinbase. So Coinbase, the stock, is worth more than Crypto.com, the crypto, but Crypto.com, crypto is worth much less than Coinbase, the stock, which is at $14.8 billion. So it has a lot to climb up just to even get up to Coinbase stock market cap, which is, you know, still, like I said, stock and crypto is different, but once you compare it and you look at it from the Binance perspective, which is a coin on the Binance network, that's $96 billion. That is an extreme amount of upside to go, and it's still early in cryptos.com life cycle. Is their phase. They're still growing. They're still getting a lot of news every single day, and then we can earn VVS finance, which is even earlier than crypto.com if you stake your crypto.com. So right now, this is why I keep saying I don't mind it going down so I can get it cheaper, because ultimately I still believe that it will go to $1 and higher than $1 as well. But $1 is just being very modest because we've already seen that. That's just me being not super aggressive, but I do believe it will go higher than $1. But in comparison to everything that I just showed you from Coinbase and Binance, it looks like a steal. You know, it looks like a steal at these levels. It looks like it's something you can get in early in. Now, of course, we're going to show you VVS finance. Today, we're at 0.00011. This is probably the low end of the trading range that it's been at. So, in my opinion, I would watch this one as well. If it goes below this one, this would be an even better dip buying opportunity. The volume has been decreasing, so it's been in a low, slow decline. But hey, like I said, it's not super volatile, so that's been good for us. It hasn't just, the price hasn't been going super crazy. It's been pretty stagnant. The farms are still paying out very, very well. I will continue to put that information out there for us, even though they have been steadily decreasing. So the earlier, the better. A couple days ago, the VVS USDT was at about 600%. The CRO VVS is in the 500% range. So they are coming down as more people are getting in. So if you want to get in and stake some of your coins, now is still a good time because it's still paying out a lot. But like I said, the later you wait, the lower these rates will go as more liquidity is added to these farms. But with all that being said, Crypto.com is a go for me. It is an absolute go. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you do, make sure you subscribe, like the video. Until next time, Densky out.